How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. For today's office, we find ourselves out here in Hazlet. It is approximately 78 degrees and we've got a Payne unit not cooling. So stay tuned. Alright guys, here's the breakdown. Homeowner told me that the system comes on but the fan doesn't spin. At this point, I'm thinking bad capacitor, bad condenser fan motor. Either way, I got to get the panel off to find out. Right now I'm laying odds that it's the capacitor, but I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Okay. I found your problem.
What's that?
Well, it looks like a dead mouse.
Oh.
And it looks like it may have chewed on some things.
Oh no, yeah, they were stinkers.
Alright. Gonna take me a little bit to get it cleaned out.
Okay.
Alright guys, so as you can see, we did have a, guess it looks like a mouse, but let me get it cleaned up and then I'm going to plug back in the disconnect and let's see what we got going. I don't think this little creature lived long enough to build a nest, so I think the capacitor ended up getting him. Could have been the contactor, who knows. Either way. So we're going to give it a good cleaning. And get all the, basically all the webs I can get out of it. Lots of spiders and whatnot. As you guys can see, my contactor is pulled in. I do have the disconnect removed. I am going to go ahead and plug the disconnect back in and see what we got. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get an amp draw on the fan, I think. Alright guys, so I'm pulling 0.61 for a fan rated for 0.70. Everything looks good right now, but what we're going to do is we're going to wait it out. We're going to run it. We're going to see if the amp draw climbs up. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes and we're staying pretty steady at 0.61. We're going to give it another 10. Alright, we're sitting at 0.67, rated for 0.70. The system's been running for about 10-15 minutes now. I think that we're going to be okay. I'm going to call this one good. We're going to go ahead and clean the condenser coil here. Alright. We'll just let it run for like 2-3 minutes before shutting it back off.
Okay, let it dry.
Yep, I do want the coil to dry.
Yeah, I would think it could maybe rusted and it just sits there. No?
No, it's aluminum.
Oh,
so
okay.
You don't let, is the dog male or female?
He is male.
Does he come around here?
No.
Perfect.
Oh, my sister's dog. Oh, and hers was gross.
Right.
It was from her male dog peeing on it.
Yep.
No, my dog thankfully does not lift his leg on stuff.
Good.
He pees like a girl. And you know, every male dog I've had pretty much has peed like a girl. I don't know why, but I'm glad they do. I'd much rather have them do that. And I've had almost all male dogs too.
Okay, I think I'm going to call this one good.
Yep.
Alright guys, this one was a little bit weird for me for a couple of reasons. One, I've never seen an animal climb into the air conditioning compartment during the summer. Now during the winter we get it all the time. They build nests, they hang out there all winter, they chew through the wrong wire. That pretty much ends them. but I've never seen it in the summer. The other weird thing is that I can't figure out how the mouse shorted out the fan motor. Now, a homeowner told me that the system was running, the compressor was running, the fan motor wasn't. But the mouse's carcass, so to speak, was laying across the hermetic contact on the capacitor and the contactor. So I honestly don't know how it stopped the fan motor from spinning. Either way, it worked out in the end. So if you made it this far in the video, I want to say I certainly do appreciate it. And I'll check you guys out on the next one.